Page number 443, ready, start. The nature and scope of this provision was considered for the first time by their lordships of the Supreme Court in Balbir Singh's case within Sapra, and the following law was laid down stop paragraph. On prior information, the empowered officer or authorized officer while acting under section 41 within bracket 2 or 42 should comply with the provisions of section 50 before the search of the person is made, and such person should be informed that if he so requires he shall be produced before a gazetted officer or a magistrate as provided thereunder. Stop. It is obligatory on the part of such officer to inform the person to be searched. Stop. Failure to inform the person to be searched, and if such person so requires, failure to take him to the gazetted officer or the magistrate would amount to non-compliance of section 50, which is mandatory, and thus it would affect the prosecution case and vitiate the trial. Stop para. This view was reiterated by the apex court in so-and-so case within bracket Sapra and Jasbir Singh's case within bracket Sapra full stop paragraph. In Manohar Lal's case within bracket Sapra, their lordships explained the provisions of section 50 as under stop para. The provision only requires the option to be given to the accused to say whether he would like to be searched in the presence of a gazetted officer or a magistrate, and on exercise of that option by the accused, it is for the officer concerned to have the search made in the presence of the nearest gazetted officer or the nearest magistrate whosoever is conveniently available for the purpose, in order to avoid undue delay in completion of that exercise. Full stop. It is clear from section 50 of the NDPS Act that the option given thereby to the accused is only to choose whether he would like to be searched by the officer taking the search or in the presence of the nearest available gazetted officer or the nearest available magistrate. Stop. The choice of the nearest gazetted officer or the nearest magistrate has to be exercised by the officer making the search and not by the accused. Stop paragraph. In Raghbir Singh's case within bracket Sapra, their lordships further elaborated the said provisions as under stop para. Finding a person to be in possession of articles which are illicit under the provisions of the Act has the consequence of requiring him to prove that he was not in contravention of its provisions, and it renders him liable to severe punishment. Stop. It is therefore that the Act affords the person to be searched a safeguard. Stop. He may require the search to be conducted in the presence of a senior officer. Stop. The senior officer may be gazetted officer or a magistrate depending upon who is conveniently available stop para. It was further explained that the option under section 50 of the act is only of being searched in the presence of such senior officer staff. There is no further option of being searched in the presence of either a gazetted officer or of being searched in the presence of a magistrate staff, although reference has not been made at the bar by either side to another decision rendered by the apex court in state of HP versus Prithvi Chand and another 1996 Supreme Court cases within bracket CRI 210 bracket start 1996 within bracket 2 All India Criminal Law Reporter 285 within bracket SC bracket close comma. Yet we have noticed that in that case also their lordships were pleased to lay down that the requirement on the part of the searching officer to inform the accused of his right to choose to be searched in the presence of a gazetted officer or a magistrate is mandatory stop paragraph. A careful perusal of the above decisions does not reveal any inconsistency among them staff. On the other hand, all these decisions do recognize a valuable right of an accused enshrined in section 50 of the act to the effect that if an authorized officer has a suspicion that a particular person is in possession of some prohibited drug or substance in contravention of the act, he would inform the person to be searched. Stop.